doing another bike check now. I got some new parts. I'm gonna start up top. I got the Fit OG grips, ramp brake lever, Odyssey linear cable, S&M Grand Slam bars, Fit down low stem, Odyssey integrated headset, Fit Blade 2 forks, Revenge Industry ram, Fit FAF tire, and I got a Shadow Conspiracy seat, Michelin Impulse pedals with the red spindle. I just got the Fit crates and the Fit sprocket, Fit cranks, KMC coil chain. I got the Odyssey Hazard V3 hub laced to the Revenge rim. And, oh yeah, it's a Fit 83 2011. Alright, thanks for watching.